forgot the last video. Sharp Customs. We are rolling. We're out here Tuesday. Don't know the date. Don't care. Nice, warm, sunny day. As you can see, we've got the 98 GT40 on the modified Rayco 2 chassis. You got to see it. I pinched the front. Got the custom muffler on the back. Decided we'd bring it out tonight or this evening. It's just after 6 o'clock. Thought we'd give it a little spin, let you see it in action. Hopefully I don't mess up the nice paint job that I spent a lot of time on. A couple other little things I actually did to it. Put the grills in the back. Got the dual pipes. We got the Sharp Customs, license plate. Ha. We got a grill in the front. In the center section. There we go. We got the grill. I say we fire it up. It's all ready to go, hopefully. And I say we take it for a little spin and see what's what. Radio's on. Throttle's working. Brakes working. Steering's working. Let's fire it up. You got to see it. Windshield. Not sure what happened there. Obviously, I don't have a kill switch. You got to see the windshield pop out. Haven't even got to take a look on the other side. That kind of sucks because that's what I said right from the get-go. We don't want to mess up the paint job. I'm going to flip it around so we can have a look at the side it hit on the wall. Oh, you know what? Not that bad. A little scuff in the white. Not really sure what happened there. The whole body is kind of twisted. It's a little twisted. I'm not sure what happened there with radio. Not sure. Lost my steering. I freshly charged the battery. I literally have nothing here. See, we got nothing on the receiver. Oh, I think we're back alive. Look at that. Yeah, we got something going on here. Not sure really what it is. Not really too sure. It's pretty, you know, it's not rocket science. We're not really getting a response here. Well, that wasn't much of a ride. Should have probably bought an extra receiver with me. Not sure what was going on there. Not sure if it's the battery pack. It seems to come alive, but as soon as I engage, it's like we lose all power. Interesting. Very interesting. Good thing the windshield. The windshield was just a couple pop rivets. Was acrylic. Wasn't expecting that. I don't think we did too much damage to the body. No, a little scuff there. Looks like we might have taken a... Oh, just some dust. Did get a crack there. Other than that, though, not bad. Not bad. I will have to make a new windshield. I don't think none of this took a hit. It was just the body. Yeah, I know, my makeshift radio box here. Not really too sure what's going on with this. This was a fully charged battery. Probably should have brought another one with me. Not sure what's going on with this. Usually these things work pretty flawlessly. But I'm getting nothing. I'm getting nothing. Getting nothing out of this. Huh. It's almost like this battery is not even, maybe it's no good. It's really the only thing I can think of. I got no juice coming into my receiver. It's kind of shitty. We'll give it a chance, but I don't think the chance is very good. Could be a loose connection. Just doesn't seem to be doing anything. I get a little bit of juice out of it and then it kind of goes away. That is kind of strange. These are fairly new batteries, they're not that old. Well, you got to see it go a little bit. I noticed there was a little bit of chatter going around the corners. What can I say? The only thing I can say is we tried, we came, you saw, got to see me hit a wall with the GT40. It was kind of on its own, but you know what? That's what this hobby's all about. We'll take it back to the shop. We'll figure out what was going on. We'll figure out, I'm not sure what that chatter was. In the corners it was chattering. Not really too sure what that was all about. Might have just been bottoming out on this front plate. I highly doubt it. Could have just been the body purely chattering on the chassis. There was some weird noises. We'll figure it out. I'll probably run the chassis without the body, and you know, we'll figure it out. You know we will, because that's what we do. We figure this stuff out. So there you go. I said a short video. It's a short video. Till the next one, Sharp Customs. Share, like, subscribe. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Yeah, customers. Thank you to all my subscribers, and peace. I'm out.